Hello everyone and good morning. My name is Dr. Afnan and today we will be discussing about an example of the task 1. Alright, so in front of you there is a pie chart and a table graph and we'll read the question first. The pie chart below shows the main reason why agricultural land becomes less productive. The table shows how these causes affect three regions of the world during 1990s. You need to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where it is relevant. Alright, so what are the things to know for the pie chart? First of all, we need to see if it is a trend over time or has it happened over a specific period. It has happened at a specific period since no time is given. Secondly, we need to see the title, that is the causes of worldwide land degradation. Number third, we need to see the labels. There are four labels. Number 1, overgrazing. Number 2, overcultivation. Number 3, deforestation. And number 4 are the other causes. We also need to see the percentages as well. That is, overgrazing accounts for 35%, overcultivation accounts for 30%, whereas deforestation accounts for 28%, and lastly, other causes account for 7%. Now, what is the purpose of the pie chart? It's to compare between all the four values and see which is the highest and which is the lowest. So, what are the things to note for the table chart? Number 1, it tells about the time, which is at the 1990s, which you can draw back from the question. Second, to see the title, which is the cause of the land degradation by region. Number third, the labels. On the x-axis, you can see deforestation, overcultivation, overgrazing, and total land degraded. Whereas on the y-axis, you can see North America, Europe, and Oceania. The unit of measurement is given in percentages, and the purpose of this table graph is to compare the four regions with these three regions of the world. Now moving on to the introduction of the task 1, here you can see a question which is highlighted in blue. The blue parts are those which can be paraphrased. So we will say, the presented pie graph illustrates the major reasons as to why farming land deteriorates, while the table below depicts how three regions of the planets were affected by these factors in the 90s. For the overview, we will say, overall, for the pie graph, we can clearly observe the main causes of farming land deterioration and the overgrazing being the major one. The table shows that Europe had a far high percentage of unproductive land as compared to the other two regions in the time period given. For the body paragraph 1, we will be talking about the pie graph only, and it is up to you if you want to mention the percentage. Here I have given the example without mentioning the percentages. I have said the pie chart represents four causes, with overgrazing constituting the major at just over a third. Widespread cleaning of trees and overuse of the crops constitute nearly one third and just over a quarter respectively. Now moving on to paragraph 2, we will talk about the table graph only, and I have mentioned percentages here. I would say the table shows that nearly one quarter of Europe's entire surface had fallen victim to degradation. Only a small portion of North America's total land became less productive at 5%, and Oceania was marginally higher with a value of 13%. Task 1 requires you to write about 150 words. I have written about 165 words. So that's all about this question. I will be writing more about task 1 and task 2. If you have any queries, you can mention it down at the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe my channel to get updated with the latest videos. Thank you.